Is Credit Karma safe? Hey everyone, welcome back to another guide video. In today's video, I'll discuss whether Credit Karma is safe or not. So in this video, I'll answer the question which is Credit Karma safe or not? So make sure to stick with us till the end to know more about Credit Karma and whether it is safe or not. So without any further delay, let us begin. So first of all, let me answer the question in one word, whether Credit Karma is safe or not. Yes, Credit Karma is safe, and I'll also show you the reasons why. So at Credit Karma, they are committed to keeping your data secure, so they won't sell your personal information to third parties for any purpose which could be leaked and give you a privacy threat, as they have firewalls and other security precautions in order to not let your personal information be leaked to anyone. They use 128-bit encryption to protect the transmission of your data to their site, and in addition, their data center is monitored around the clock. They use firewalls, third-party experts, and other security precautions to protect your identity. And the final reasons as to how Credit Karma is safe is that they will automatically log you off after a period of inactivity. So, in order to keep your account safe, they will automatically log you out after you've been inactive for a period of time, and your privacy and your personal data will be secured. So that was basically the answer to the question whether Credit Karma is safe or not. So it is safe. Hope this video cleared your confusion. That was it for this video. Hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.